Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the important current affairs of the month June, and this video is part 5 video, and today we are going to discuss many interesting things. In this video we are going to discuss about many important things, that is host countries of the upcoming sports event, and a person was selected as the elite panel of umpires by ICC. Then two sports persons were banned. Who are all they? And what is NADA app? And the important persons who retired, important sports persons who was retired. Then important obituaries. The many important things we are going to discuss today, and watch the video without skipping. Right? Now, first important thing is Khelo India e-Pathsala. What is Khelo India e-Pathsala? It is India's first ever national level open online coaching and education program. Clear? So it is the India's first ever all India level, national level online coaching and education program, that is Khelo India e-Pathsala. So it was organized by SAI, Sports Authority of India, with the Association of National Sports Federation, NSF. So they have launched this Khelo India e-Pathsala. Who inaugurated this? So who is our Youth Affairs and Sports Minister? Kiren Rijiju, Mr. Kiren Rijiju, with Arjun Munda. Why Arjun Munda is included? Mr. Arjun Munda was the Minister of Tribal Affairs, that we all know, right? And he was the President of Archery Association of India, so he was included. Two persons, Kiren Rijiju and Arjun Munda, inaugurated this Khelo India e-Pathsala. Then NADA app. What is NADA app? It's a mobile app. It's a first kind of mobile app by National Anti-Doping Agency. NADA is nothing but National Anti-Doping Agency. They have launched on mobile app, and that mobile app was launched by Kiren Rijiju. He was the Sports, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister, right? Then English Premier League 2019-20 series, the winner was announced. Winner is Liverpool. Winner team is Liverpool. Then FIFA ranking was released. In the FIFA ranking, India's rank is 108 and number one country is Belgium. FIFA ranking, India's rank is 108, number one country is Belgium, and FIFA headquarters Zurich, Switzerland, right? Then important host countries we are going to see now, that is Asian Youth Para Games. Asian Youth Para Games is likely to be held on 2021 in Bahrain. Asian Youth Para Games likely to be held on 2021 in which country? Means Bahrain. Then Asian Football Confederation, they have announced the host country for the Women's Asian Cup. Women's Asian Cup on 2022 likely to be held in which country? India. So Women's Asian Cup 2022 India. Then FIFA Women's World Cup. The host country is two countries, Australia and New Zealand, in the year 2023. I have given in the order 2021 Asian Youth Para Games Bahrain, and 2022 India Women's Asian Cup football, and Australia and New Zealand 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup. Right? Then ban. I already told you two persons were banned. World Anti-Doping Agency WADA banned Kiranjit Kaur for 4 years, and Kiranjit Kaur is the Indian long distance runner. And World Athletics banned Gomadi Marimutu and for 4 years, and she was the athlete. Then Indian tennis player Nikki Poonacha was selected for the ITF World Tennis Tour player for the men's panel. Then Indian umpire Nitin Menon was inducted into the ICC elite panel of umpires, and ICC headquarters Dubai, UAE, right? Then UN General Assembly session, new president was selected, and the president is Volkan Bozkir, and he will take over or he will replace Tijani Mohammad Bande. And UN General Assembly, it was the 75th session, right? So Indian tennis player Nikki Poonacha was selected into ITF World Tennis Tour player men's panel, and Indian umpire Nitin Menon has inducted into ICC elite panel of umpires. Then Volkan Bozkir was the new president of UN General Assembly session, right? Then one important news about Rahul Dravid, that is Wisden India. Wisden India, recently they have conducted one poll. In that poll, the greatest Indian test batsman was Rahul Dravid, and the poll was conducted by Wisden India. The greatest Indian test batsman of all time, poll was conducted by Wisden India. The person name is Rahul Dravid. Then two important retirements, right? Two important retirements. Rachel Priest was retired, announced the retirement. And Rachel Priest related to which game? Cricket, right? And Rachel Priest is a female cricketer from New Zealand. See, important retirement is there, means in exam they will ask a question. Rachel Priest announced the retirement and she hailed from which country? And she belongs to the sport dash. In the retirement news, you should know the name of the person and the sports they related to and the country they belong to. These are the important things. Then Mario Gomez, Germany footballer, announced the retirement, right? Then one important report was released. That report is India's first ever national report. Clear? India's first ever national report on the state of climate crisis. That report was launched. And the report name is Assessment of Climate Change over the Indian Region. In this report, what is the important fact they find is India's average temperature has risen by 0.7 degrees Celsius between 1901 to 2018. Then we will discuss about the obituaries, the famous persons, important persons who are passed away in the month of June. SAIL director was passed away and the person name is Atul Srivastava. Atul Srivastava, SAIL director, passed away in the month of June. Then Madhav Rao Patil. Madhav Rao Patil is politician, and one important question based on Madhav Rao Patil, he is the founder of Janlakshmi Cooperative Bank. So Madhav Rao Patil is the founder of Janlakshmi Cooperative Bank. Then BPR Vittal is the renowned economist. Atul Srivastava, SAIL director. Madhav Rao Patil, founder of Janlakshmi Cooperative Bank and a politician. BPR Vittal is renowned economist. Then President of Republic of Burundi passed away and the person name is Pierre Nkurunziza. Then Dinu Ranadive. Dinu Ranadive is a renowned journalist. Dinu Ranadive passed away and the person is renowned journalist. Then Ved Prakash Marwa. Ved Prakash Marwa is the former governor of Jharkhand, Manipur and Mizoram. Then important sports persons passed away in the month of June. Bobby Joy Maro, sprinter from America, and Purnima Zanane, Indian shooter. Indian shooter, she was Indian shooter, right? Vasant Raiji, cricket player, and Matt Pore, New Zealand cricketer. Then obituaries related to cine field. That is Sushant Singh Rajput. Everyone know this and it's a shocking news for everyone. So he is an actor, Bollywood actor, right? One important question you can expect from this is Sushant Singh Rajput is an actor who passed away in the month of June and he born on which state? From Bihar. He is from Bihar, right? Chiranjeevi Sarja, Kannada actor. Anwar Sagar is a songwriter, right? K.R. Sachidanandan, film director, scriptwriter and producer from Malayalam film industry. Then Wajid Khan. Wajid Khan is the music director. Anand Mohan Jutsi, he is the Urdu poet and the freedom fighter. These are the important current affairs we have discussed today, and we have discussed the complete current affairs from the month of June as parts. Part 1 to part 5 we have discussed everything. Next video will be on current affairs, particularly on the banking and financial awareness. That video will be released soon. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I am posting videos, you will get notification. Thank you for watching. This is Sheikh Mohammed signing out until we meet again.